your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Goodwill. Fuller come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in. Coming fuck from my stole show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out of parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more beaches. I might just stir shoot. I'm geeked on next week, got no more beaches. I might have parachute. Yeah, go. Stomp a little pussy, hoe. Get some shit.
Hey y'all. Y'all shut up. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. So in this video, y'all, I'm gonna be doing a maintenance vlog. Right now I'm about to go get my hair done. My appointment was at 2:30, but it is 2:31 because I was running late. So I told her, she told me I could come at 3, but I'm about to leave the house now. Yeah, so since I'm running late, let's just get it and let's go. Bro, I don't never say that.
I'm gonna get an XP chicken nugget, extra crispy.
Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, Chick-fil-A do sound good right now, but
a couple of pack that came in and I'm out, ain't no time to be fucking up. I put on a shirt and I put on my pants to my boss, BDK for the sun is up. Pussy ass niggas, they talking that fuck, I'm taking it loving.
Wanna talk to them?
no. Hey y'all, I just got to my nail appointment, my hair appointment. I'm about to go in, y'all. This is what I'm looking like, y'all. I did my lashes before I left the house. They're kind of cute, but yeah. She told me to come at 3. It is now 3, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in. And yeah. Okay, y'all, I just recorded a whole clip and it didn't even record. My hair is done. Let me show y'all. It's super duper cute. I love it. And this hair is from Get a Hair, and it's gonna be in the link of my bio on my Instagram. But right now I'm about to go into the mall and get my my toes done. And I'm gonna be getting some black French tip toe. So yeah, we about to go in because it's like 5:30 something and they closing at 7, but I still wanna walk around the mall a little bit. So yeah. Hey y'all, so my camera is about to die, but as y'all can see, I just got my toes done and they came out super cute. She told me that it was fine, or my nails would be fine without acrylic because my nails are long enough for them to be done without acrylic. So they came out super duper cute. But right now I'm about to run to Target and then I'm about to give me something to eat and go home. So that is it for the maintenance for today. I have to get my toes done, my nails done on Tuesday. Hey y'all, so it is Tuesday and right now I'm about to be on the way, well I am on the way to my nail appointment to get these nails done. I'm super excited y'all because I haven't had my nails done in quite a while. So Yes, I'm so excited. And I'm going to a new person. I usually go to the nail salon, so this is my first actual time going to a nail tech. So yeah, I'm super duper excited, y'all. And we picked out a different design because the design that I originally was going to get was going to take a little bit long. And today, y'all, I have a game, so I don't think I will be able to come back to the school on time. But she's like 6 minutes away from my school, so we're gonna see. I did pick like a simpler set just in case. But yeah, y'all, I'm on the way there, and I will see y'all when I get there.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I can be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like Bisons. I just any money roll of dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you've been fighting for your shot, and you've been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah.